Hello, Choro-Q fans. So, you should know that I like my tuned cars. In particular, I like Choro-Qs. I have hundreds of them now. And I think this might be a relatively recent release. It's the Supra from the Fast and Furious, the Paul Walker Supra. So these are pullback toys. You can see here there's a coin in the back, and that will make, the weight shift, and they'll do a wheelie. I don't really play with these toys, though. And, yeah, this says ST23, so it came out this year. It's officially licensed. Takara Tomi's been around forever, so they're a legit company. Interesting, it says polyethylene. I don't know what that would be for. Are these bodies made out of polyethylene? That's hard to believe, but maybe. Wow, that tape is so strong, it's crazy. Alright, so I mangled up the packaging, but sorry guys, I don't collect packaging. This is just trash I paid for. At least it's paper, it's not going to end up polluting our livers later. Alright, I can't say the same about this little bag though, but you need the bag because paper is abrasive, it'll scratch up the paint. Alright, what do we have here? I think it's one of those membership card things, or like a fan club. I've never gone to that QR code. Probably never will. So you can obviously see back here we have some pictures. Just do a quick comparison of the deformation that ChoroQ did here. This thing is really short. Right there. This is at Barrett Jackson. It sold for a lot of money. Alright, well you get the gist. It's a deformed car. Let's take a look at the coaster details here. So, being literally a toy, I think ChoroQ generally, they very often blank off the wheels. It's weird, the standard 5-spokes aren't blanked off, but the spokes are much thicker. So, unfortunately, it would have been cool if these were passing air. They do look like the wheels, it's just that, that just looks weird. It would be, maybe if they at least put black paint in there, it would be nice. Well, anyways, you got the staggered size tires, kind of like Hot Wheels, and it is very gappy because it's a toy. I guess they want to do that so the thing will actually run. These things go very fast, by the way, and furious, apparently. Alright, we got the printing of that Spartan or whatever that character is. Looks like a guy's throwing a spear or something. And then the door handle detail seems nicely molded there. Same with the window molding. It's actually a recess. This is a groove, but this here is raised up from the window. Little body kit, the Bomex body kit here. Right, going to the front. Unfortunately, it's just silver paint, which is really a shame because this is one piece of clear plastic. This clear plastic, they could have just left those, clear, and it would have been more realistic, I think. No paint, sadly, in these lights, nor, that's a big oversight right there. It's a nice texture and all, but it would have been cool if there was black in all these things. I guess it'd be relatively easy to add. They did add it up here, though. Okay. Yeah, a little black around the window molding there. This side, no major problems, looks the same. There's a fuel filler on this side, though. Alright, and then nice, the taillights look pretty nice, nicely printed, same with the Toyota badge, but no red paint in the third brake light, and this is really a big oversight too. Why isn't this painted silver? Alright, so unfortunately, that's a shame. The wing is very toyish, it is a toy, very Hot Wheels thick, but it's painted silver, and I like that they tell you what the car is, and in this case, from the movie, so that's good. I kind of wish it was smoked darker. I don't really want to see that white motor. It's weird the way they would have that relatively transparent. On the bottom here, we actually have a production dial. So this is made in March of 2023. Alright, and then there's a standard construction of a tab back here and a screw up there. I don't think I'm going to 3D print my own wheels. I actually have for the Hot Wheels. Maybe next time I don't know. Let's pull out the Hot Wheels actually. You know what? Maybe next time I print some wheels off, I will print these out because they're simply, hollow. But for now, for today, I'm not going to do it. So let's compare it to some other cars. So you can really see the difference in deformation. I actually prefer the deformation of the Hot Wheels. It's just so much goofier looking, right? The cabin is taller than the body, right? But it simply lacks the details, as far as the printing work that ChoroQ did. The taillights are pretty weak on this. But to the credit of Hot Wheels, this is a much better front end. Like it has the Toyota badge. Why is there no Toyota badge on the front of that? Maybe it's because it's a Bomex kit, I don't know, but why would Hot Wheels put it on there? And the Hot Wheels has a chrome exhaust pipe. I just don't like how the bottom half is that different color orange because it's plastic. So anyways, there's good and bad about everything, it seems. So a few other Supras here. Here's another Choro-Q. This is an A70 Supra with a racing livery. Here's another Hot Wheels. This is the Fatback Supra from Hot Wheels, and I 3D printed my own. I think they're Vocal wheels or something. Back to Choro-Q. We have an A70 as well here. That's like a pace car. And then here we have like a different Choro-Q with a different deformation. It's a much more low slung car. I think these are 3D printed wheels as well. And then the last one is an older, I think it was called an MA7 something. I forget the chassis name of this. Sadly, it doesn't tell me on the bottom, or it says Silica XX. Alright, so it's still a Silica back then. Alright, well, there you go. A whole bunch of different deformation styles there. You know, from Hot Wheels and from Choro-Q. And there's the top view. Yeah, the Hot Wheels is much longer as well. But it is glossy. This is not glossy. I don't know why. I mean, this is glossy, Choro-Q. That's glossy, Choro-Q. But why is this a matte finish orange? Or satin finish? So there's a lot of weird things going on here lately from Choro-Q. Not sure why they did some of these things. Alright, anyways. I don't know what this character is, where it's from. Maybe One Piece or something, which I don't watch. But it kind of looks like Paul Walker. with the blonde hair and all. Alright, well, anyways. It's a different style of deformation, so I guess I'm okay having it. I don't know if they did the Charger. Maybe they did. I'll have to look that up online. I do know they have a gold Lamborghini from the Fast and Furious, which I don't even remember seeing in the Fast and Furious. But anyways, thanks for watching today, and I'll see you in the next Choro vid. Bye.